Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to successfully plan a study abroad. A quick step-by-step guide. So the first step would be to plan well in advance. For planning good, it always helps to start early, at least 12 to 18 months before you intend to go abroad to study. Step 2 would be choosing a right country for your higher education. Every country is different in forms of cost of education, cost of living, language of teaching, student visa application requirements, post study work opportunities, post study settlement opportunities. So, research well about various countries and find a right country that suits most to your studying abroad long term purposes. Step 3 would be choosing a right study program. Two tips. First, it should be a logical progression to your previous education. And tip 2, you should have strong reasons to choose that program in terms of your long term career plan. If your further studies plan matches these two criteria, you might not just be able to get a better university with higher scholarship, but also improve your probability of success in the student visa application. Step 4, choosing the right university or a college. This is one of a very tough task as there may be a lot many university options in your choice of country destination. But this is at the same time a very crucial decision. Research well about the university profile, its overall ranking, as well as its strength in your subject of education. Many countries offer additional benefits if you are choosing to study in university located in regional areas. Compare the advantages and disadvantages of studying at such universities. Step 5, applying for admission. It is always advisable to apply to more than one university. Understand properly the eligibility requirements in terms of various tests like IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, ACT, or SET. Also check the requirements in terms of academic grade requirements, work experiences requirements. Prepare a solid statement of purpose with no plagiarism. A right application can not only save you from wasting your application fee cost but also help you to get in successfully to your dream university with best of scholarship. Step 5, accepting the offer letter. Once university sends you the offer letter, do read it very carefully. Check if there are any conditions to it, like language proficiency test score or deposit of some fee to confirm the seat, etc. If yes, fulfill those in accordance with the requirements. Also, at the same time, communicate with the college about accommodation facilities in and around the campus, airport pickup services. Check if there are any scholarships you can still apply for. Step 7, prepare and applying for a student visa application. This is a crucial stage of the whole process. Apply at least 2 months in advance to your college start date. Different countries have a different process. Few ask for biometrics, few have health checkup reports requirement. There might be an online or an offline visa application. The proof of funds required to show have different requirements. Even the format of education loan sanction letter has different formats for different countries. Double check the application process and requirements. Now, the final step, that is the pre departure planning and finally flying to your dream destination. Receive your visa confirmation. Check if all the details mentioned are correct and error free. Get the best deal in airfare. Plan how much forex in cash or in other forms you need to carry. Make a proper packing list according to flight luggage policy and your needs. Check properly your visa, passport, and academic documents. Reach the airport early and fly to a great career launchpad. Thanks. Keep in touch.